Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlink threads from Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin our tutorial. First, you need to know that you cannot deactivate or just unlink threads from Instagram, but you will need either to delete your threads account or to deactivate it. In that way, it will not be synced with Instagram and you will have it linked in an indirect way. So simply we will be needing to go to our threads and after that we need to go to our settings so we can deactivate our account. And to do so, you will be needing to go to the bottom menu and from here we will need to click on the profile account or the profile picture. And after that, you will need to go to the side menu or the menu bar from here, and then you will be needing to deactivate your account by going to the account tab. And from here, we will find this settings menu and we will find this account choice in the middle of the page. We click on account and after that, we will want to deactivate or delete our profile. So from here, we will find this deactivate our profile, and either you can deactivate your profile temporarily or you can delete it permanently. So you can choose either choices that would suit you. So if you want to permanently have disabling your Threads app from your Instagram, you will be needing to delete your profile permanently. But note that you will lose all your threads and all your engagements on threads, etc. Otherwise, you can just deactivate your profile temporarily and choose either things you would like. And after that, you follow the given instructions, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.